Okay, WDS Mike here. We are this morning starting early before sunup. And if you can see this monument here, we're over at PV Marketplace. You can see that bottom was Men's Warehouse. We're now gonna help transform this to Arizona rugs. Again, we're starting out real early in the morning here. We are gonna do a reality capture. We're gonna capture this place in 3 dimensions, and we're going to produce a virtual site walk for our team. So let's go inside the doors here and get ready for the equipment to arrive. And so we are going to transform this place. This morning we will bring our equipment in here. We're going to do a capture of the space. We'll be able to take this back to our office, pull up all the dimensions. We'll be able to measure everything from the computer. We'll be able to look at every outlet, every light switch, every little nook. Be able to look at what's going on all of these ceilings up here. Okay, then we can send this to our engineers. We can even send it to subcontractors. We will have a virtual site walk. Okay, and we're going to start that just minutes from now. The reason we're actually going to bring in 3D video solutions. They're very good at this. And the reason is the sun is going to come up. It's almost 7 a.m. I think at 6:30 that sun comes up and it makes a reflection in that camera. So we do this right at dusk. We'll go all along this glass line. We'll go along that glass line. There'll be no reflections. It'll be almost zero reflectivity time. But this is 5,000 feet. Okay, what we're looking at is down at that end, we're going to demo that large storage room. And so about the last 1,000 feet, that's a storage room. It's where the old dry cleaning area was, the restrooms. That is going to stay as sort of an office, break room, restrooms area. We'll get this full showroom experience. We're going to have massive, large rugs hanging from the ceilings here, and you're going to follow this through the whole process, okay? And then in these little window compartments, this is really cool. These window compartments, we're going to put operated, almost like axles. They're going to roll up and down and allow these carpets to display differently, you know, any given day, any given week. So it's going to be an awesome project, working with Ed Manini, and just a great client. So hope to bring you more information and allow you to watch this as it transforms. So if you ever never seen one, this is what the old Men's Warehouse looked like. This was sort of their dry cleaning area where they would steam, make those suits look good. This was the whole showroom area. They had racks along every side of this thing. All right, this morning we have 3 doves. 3D Video Solutions is getting ready to do a reality capture 3D shooting of this building. We're going to start out here. Early in the morning you get reflectivity on the glass, so we're going to try to capture this right at dawn. So what this thing does is it scans about every 4 feet or so. You need to put it on the ground and let it rotate and do its thing. Okay. It kind of beep, lets us know that it's captured everything. We set it up again. See that? That's about 4 feet, and we spin again. So if you can imagine not having to look and remember where every switch, thermostat, and plug is at. If there was an area that needed to be patched, what kind of front doors and hardware you had, what kind of emergency lights need to be replaced, okay, how many track lights there were down at this end. All of these things can be found when you're back at the office and you are trying to look through a gazillion photographs. Instead, you can just Instead, you can virtually walk through the space to see what we're doing. And meanwhile, keep loving what you do, enjoying life, and we'll talk soon.
Audio Jungle.